In the south of Chile, there is a place where the routine stops and you enjoy every second because you know that is what really matters. Where you dare to do something new and different, surrounded by nature, allowing you to be with yourself and discover a new experience every day. The good moments renew your soul. They are kept in your memory and accompany you for the rest of your life. Have you ever fallen in love with a place? One of those places that stays so deep inside you that just by closing your eyes, you can bring every moment back to life. One of those places where you feel that you're alive like nature, alive like the forest, like the water and the mountains. They make you feel infinite, and that's when you realize that every trip, every moment shared was never random. Life, it's about living in the present, and that is possible in this place.